All right, out here today because the system is freezing up. And sure enough, got some ice building up. Peek in here. Oh yeah, ice building up. And look at that. Our thermistor is even covered in ice. It also said 03 when I first popped it open. There it is. 03 is our ambient air temp sensor. 04, our coil temp sensor. That's the fault codes we're getting at the board. All right, so I'm on the ambient air temperature sensor. Looks like we're getting 28 kiloohms. On the coil temp thermistor, and we're getting 14.69. All right, just got back from the part shop, picked up our ambient temp sensor and our coil temp sensor. Let's go get them swapped out. 32.75 kiloohm. All right, just got the old board out. Got the brand new board right here. Got to unwrap it, put it in.